Welcome to our guide on iPhone gaming optimization. In today's video, we're exploring how to enhance your gaming experience on your iPhone. Let's take a quick look at the latest iPhone models and their gaming capabilities, which are built for performance. To truly maximize your gaming performance, start by adjusting the in-game settings for optimal performance. Utilizing iOS features like Game Mode can significantly improve your gaming experience, allowing for smoother gameplay. To reduce lag, it's crucial to manage background apps and notifications effectively. Intense gaming can heat up your iPhone. Here are some tips for cooling your device during those marathon sessions. Don't forget about accessories. Controllers and cooling cases can enhance your overall gaming experience. Let's explore some of the best apps available for monitoring performance and optimizing your settings. Finally, we'll test and benchmark popular games at max settings to see how well your iPhone performs. By following these tips, you can truly maximize your iPhone's gaming potential. Happy gaming!